Good morning. Welcome to Ummul Qura Education System. Okay, students, I am your English teacher and class LKG. Students, today we are going to learn a new topic, word making with letter C. The letter C help us make many words. Today we will learn new words like cup, car, cat. Cup, car, cat. CUP cup, CAR car, CAT cat. Okay, students, this is the picture of cup. This is the picture of cup. Learn the spelling of cup. CUP cup. CUP cup. This is the picture of car. This is the picture of car. Spelling of car. CAR car. CAR car. This is the picture of cat. This is the picture of cat. Spelling of cat. CAT cat. CAT cat. Okay, students, repeat with me. CUP cup. CAR car. CAT cat. Okay, kids, in this way you will complete your work. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.